Hello and welcome to Make Explore Art. Now today I'm going to show you how to use tracing paper to transfer an image onto a piece of paper. You'll start with your design and you can use parchment paper, tracing paper or indeed tissue paper to transfer an image. So one of the reasons why you might need to trace an image or transfer an image onto another surface is because you may want to create a repeated pattern or you may just want an outline for a design. I'll start by showing you how to use tracing paper. So, you have your image or your design and you use a pencil to draw around it carefully. Make sure you include all of your details and make sure you're as accurate as you can be. Now, here's the key to a successful transfer of image using tracing paper. You now need to flip your tracing paper over. And the reason you do that is because you want the pencil lead or the graphite to be on the back of this paper as well. Now, some people choose to scribble over the back of it, but I think a much neater approach is if you draw over those same lines again. That way, you can use this same piece of tracing paper over and over again multiple times. Now when you're drawing over the back, it will be in reverse, so I would suggest using a scrap piece of paper to do this onto. This is the final stage of your tracing, so be prepared now to turn it over and then you can take that and draw it on any other paper surface. So I've gone back to my original, turn my page, and now I want a second Nutella jar that I can paint a different colour. Now it should have transferred through onto your paper underneath and you should have an identical image to the one that you started. It will be a bit lighter, but no worries, you can always just add another pencil mark over the top to make it neater. Thank you for watching, subscribe to Make Explore Art for more tips, tricks and tutorials, and see you next time.